So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first guys, you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, and this is search button. Click to search. After that you can see this, enter your model number of motherboard, B650 UDAX. After that hit enter. Then click to title of this. Click on support. Select your operating system which is required, Windows 10 and 11, any, but installations process same, any. Audio driver, Realtek audio, then click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading automatically. I already downloaded. You can see this is 165 size. Just open and just double click to run. Yes. Now this is extracting. Then it is closed automatically, means this is installed.